Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robert Weichelt with my girl,
Miss
B. I just love that. Every time I want to call her Miss B, I was like almost like the, what's that show? Ms.
Right.
B. Miss B.
Yeah, Andy Griffith.
There you go. So this is Robert Weichelt with Miss B, and welcome to another episode of Weichelt Wednesdays, Realtor Spotlight.
Woo, woo.
Woo, woo, where we learn, build, and we grow. So let's get right into it. It's tax season.
I know, isn't that crazy? Are
Yeah.
you scared?
Yeah, a little bit.
Everybody is scared.
I mean, we did our, quarterlies, but nowhere near.
Everybody's
nowhere near.
Yeah, everybody's scared, and anybody that's supposedly a contractor, now they're gonna maybe have to do W-2s for them if you can control them. So that's new.
So pay attention. Get with your accountant.
Right?
Yeah, get with your accountant. So you've got a lot of stuff going on. Tell us this weekend.
This weekend was amazing.
So we have a new listing in Oceanside.
Yes, beautiful.
We listed it on a Monday.
Yes.
No showings and inconveniences during the week.
Exactly.
Had a one-day open house. Lots of traffic.
It was amazing. Lots of traffic, quality traffic. Everybody was very interested. We were so organized. Everything flowed so nicely.
It did flow nice. They had the guys were down the garage doing the checking in, and Chris is back there doing this video work, and Tom and I were at the front desk, and you and Carla were up there. I mean, it was a nice flow. Even though the garage was downstairs and not attached, it still kind of flowed nice.
Go get that link. It was in Skyhaven.
Skyhaven, yeah. The
In
address is on the website. It'll be on the website.
Look at it.
But just go to thehome.auction.
Oh, there you go.
Thehome.auction.
Yep.
The auction bidding ends tomorrow, Thursday at 5.
Okay.
So FYI, we've got a lot of people interested in that property.
Yes.
So that was fun, though.
It was super fun.
Yeah, so you're passing out your roses.
Yes, I was passing roses with my business card.
Yeah.
And there was a little drink downstairs, et cetera, et cetera. The flow was amazing.
In the man cave.
Right?
Yes, the man cave.
There was a man cave.
So that's cool. So that's Skyhaven. So you can go to our website at thehome.auction to check that out. But let's get back to Realtor Spotlight. It's about learning, building, growing. We're going to be putting on there coaching tips, things we learned from Tom Ferry, Mike Ferry, Brian Buffini. There's Larry White, who's one of my favorite coaches, Larry White. We're going to put stuff on there that all the top agents are putting together, what they're doing whether it be door knocking, open houses, whether it be websites, what best camera, what equipment. There's so many things.
I know, there's so many things.
In the real estate industry,
yes,
it's like you almost get so overwhelmed that there's all these shiny objects. So we're going to put on there, we're going to share with you at Weichelt Wednesdays, our Realtor Spotlight, where we learn, build, and grow. So anyway, speaking of that, we have our conference calls every Monday, 8 o'clock.
Yes.
Our goals and actuals. That was a good
that
call.
works. That makes me get up.
Yeah. Accountability.
Accountability. I'm there 7:55. I open my eyes. I'm logged in by
7:55 opens her eyes and the call's at 8 o'clock.
Sunday's open house.
Who needs a bunch of time to prep?
Yep. 7. We do the open houses on Sunday, and then the next day, go.
You know what's funny about what you just said? 7:55 you wake up. 8 o'clock we're on the call. That means a baseball hat. And what's beautiful about a Zoom call, you don't have to see your face. You just put your picture, any picture you want, your logo, and you're behind the scenes. As long as you have your goals and actuals, you're in good shape, right?
We just see Roberts.
Oh, I need to fix that.
It's amazing.
Oh,
it's very, very.
It's a good call, though, huh?
Yes, it is. It's very. What do you call it? Very.
Motivating.
Motivating. That's the word.
Yes. So real motivating. It's accountability. It's all about goals and actuals. How to eat an elephant? One bite at a time.
Right.
So we go over goals and actuals on Mondays, every Monday at 8 o'clock. So if you're watching this, you are welcome to join us every Monday at 8 o'clock.
What's going on Friday, though?
Friday's fun. We always have happy hour.
Oh,
agents like to, they like to happy hour.
Yeah, I like my beer.
I like my beer. I like my craft beer. You can probably tell, though. I need to probably cut out the craft beer.
Right.
But anyway, not crap beer, craft beer.
Yes.
Okay.
Craft.
Just so we're clear.
Yeah.
Abnormal is one of my favorite beers.
Hefeweizens, those are
Hefeweizen, yeah, it's a good one. But we have our top agent happy hour, where we train on our auction platform. We go over for sale by owner, expireds, REO.
That's the new one, REOs.
That's the new one.
Don't miss it.
Yeah.
This is an opportunity
That was actually
for you
good.
guys.
That was
it
a
was
good
very
class.
good.
Yeah, it was a good class.
It was a very good
So we're going to go
class.
over for sale by owner, expireds, and now we've added REO to it.
Yes.
So being a top REO trainer all over the country, we've added that to it. So that's this Friday.
Where?
Well, we're all over Southern California. So this week we're in Mission Valley.
Okay.
Next week we're, I think, in Orange County, Temecula. We're all over Southern California with the live classes. And we also have webinars. So I'll put in this post not only the coaching links, what we have, but also the events. You know, our goals and actuals, our webinars, and our live training. It's always, some people like to come to live training.
Follow Robert on Facebook. What's your Facebook?
Robert Weichelt.
Yep, just follow him and he'll have all the information there.
That's right. And if you're at home following on Twitter, it's Weichelt Res, R-E-S, Weichelt R-E-S. That's Twitter. You know, Twitter's an interesting thing.
Yeah, how fancy is that?
Fancy.
Right?
Twitter, Instagram. My wife's a big Snapchatter. I don't even know the first thing about it.
Me neither.
I can put like those nose in those little things they do. Snapchat filters. We should do that. But anyway, that's for another topic.
Yep.
Carla, if you need any Snapchat, Carla will help you out with that. So other than that, we have a great class coming up. It'll be in this post. But really, we just wanted to kick off Weichelt Wednesdays, Realtor Spotlight, where we're learning, building, and growing. It's been a pleasure chatting with you. And feel free to put in this link what you'd like to hear about next.
Mwah.